What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we probably have one of the quickest reviews that we are going to do on this channel. All right. Now we are just going to get it over with, you guys. With this table right here, I have a few dings and dats. All right, if that's what they say, but basically a few dings. So yeah. Through a couple of product reviews, I have dropped some products onto this table, and it hurts. It hurts when I drop something on this table, you guys. I'd be like, ugh. All right, you cringe a little bit when you drop something on an expensive table. So with that being said, I got something that I should have got a long time ago. So here we go. All right, we got ourselves a mat, you guys. Now, this is a cool mat. It's not just any regular mat. You actually have a ruler on this map. You have a conversion table. So as a matter of fact, let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, matter of fact, let me show y'all. I can take y'all off of that tripod. All right, you guys. So here you go, the performance tool mat. So here goes your ruler right here. All right, so if you bring something on your mat, you can go ahead and measure it. You don't have to run and get a measuring tape and stuff like that. So yeah, there you go. And it goes up to 35 inches. All right. And then your centimeters, it goes up to 89 centimeters right there. All right. Now we come up here. Let's go here straight to the top. All right, you have your temperature conversion chart. That's awesome, you guys. So if you are in a country that does Celsius and you want to know what's the difference between Celsius and Fahrenheit or the conversion, there you go. So obviously, you know, Fahrenheit is on the left, Celsius on the right. All right. You have a weight conversion chart. I know a lot of people will love this one. All right, fluid conversion chart. So if you're a mechanic, you're definitely going to love this mat, you guys. Gasoline oil mix table. And let's come all the way over here. And then you have one of the biggest ones right here. Measurement conversion chart. I know a lot of people is going to love this one. Right there. All right, go all the way down. All the way down. All right. And that's it, you guys. So I love having this mat right here. Now, I was going to use this. I was going to get another table for the garage because I plan on doing some reviews in the garage. But I saw a Ryobi table, and y'all did not tell me that Ryobi had a table out there, you guys. And it's portable. You can use it as a dolly, blah, 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 blah. I might get it on Ryobi days when it comes up, or yeah, Ryobi days. Let's see what Ryobi days sales brings us. Amazon Prime Day sales are coming as well. So yeah, we have some big sales coming this July. So everybody be prepared. Y'all will be seeing a lot of stuff on the channel very soon. All right. And that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.